Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to this session. Uh, a series of videos are being presented to you, and the topic is Excel aptitude. Normally, the IQ test and aptitude test and SAT and CMAT and etc. These are presented in different educational institutes and other training institutes. You know. Uh, so I am coming up with an idea of Excel aptitude. Excel aptitude shows you how good you are in utilizing the functionalities which are uh, presented, which are available in Excel. But unfortunately, very few people use those functionalities, and they take uh, long route to solve the things which might be better if which for sure will be better if they use the already presented information and functionalities in Excel. Since they are unaware, so they are not able, or they are not used to of it, or they have some fear or some hesitation, whatever it may be. But my idea of bringing all these things is to emphasize that we should train our kids, we should train our subordinates if we are managers and we have a team. So we should promote, we should encourage our team members. We should encourage our students. We should encourage our kids uh, to to utilize these things, right? Okay. Normally, these sort of questions come with a caption and instruction that do not use scientific calculators. The use of scientific calculators are prohibited. But let's why not have the same sort of test with a caption that uh, you are advised to use the Excel functionalities. Uh, Using Excel functionalities, attempt these questions. So that would show you how familiarized you are with these functionalities, and that will make your life in your career very simplified, and you will save the times and resources for problem solving. Okay, so we have already shown you this question and the solution, right? For example, this was a series of numbers, so two series uh, next to these 20, 2, 5, 9, 16, 27, 45, and uh, what are the two next series? That is, of course, these are 74 and 120. Well, we have shown you already in our previous video, okay? And then we came up with such a thing. This is an enhancement. Normally, it is very difficult in Excel. It's not easy that you have some um, such equation with a 2 raised to power x plus x is equal to, so raised to power x, right? So we showed you that how to attempt this question using the goal seek, right? And uh, I think we have attempted it. I don't remember what was the answer. Anyways, let's go to the next question. This is our today's question. 2 raised to power x plus x is equal to 11, right? So we have added this question in here in our Excel and in the same manner, right? This is the bitmate which we have made in the PowerPoint and brought it into this cell. How do we do this? Is that when you make a PowerPoint slide, then you hold down Shift and then Window and then S. This will come up with sorry, I think you won't be able to see it anyway. So hold down Shift. See, when you are in PowerPoint, you will hold down Shift and Window and S concurrently, and then you select it, and then you get back to your uh, Excel sheet and you click on it. So you will get the image posted in here, pasted in here, and then you resize it to the smallest, right? Because this will become a contents of your cell. And when you reach to this question, then it will bring that into here and it will resize it. Right? So there is a code, VBA code working. We will sometime show you that how intelligently it sees that if there is some byte image, then instead of the question, it will bring this thing. What is it? The image, and and then you have to attempt the answer, right? What is that? So let's go to the next new sheet in which we will uh, we will show you how to do this, right? Okay, so we add a new sheet and we take this thing into the next new sheet, right? Let's go to the new sheet here, for example, and here we okay, we paste this in here. We remove all these. Okay, so this is our working sheet, right? So 2x. So let's suppose that this is x, and this is 2 raised to power x. So 2 raised to power x. So x is this, okay? And then x. So we will say equal to, and this again, okay? So x will be, we don't write x in here. Yeah. So what, since we have already defined that C3 is x, and we are going to add these two together, right? So our formula will be this plus this. Huh? So this is 11. This has to be 11. At the moment, it is 1. So we have to bring this to 11. As soon as it reaches 11, so we find the value of x. So how we do this? We go straight away to what if analysis and go to the goal seek, and we say set this cell. Which cell? C6, yeah? Set C6 to the value of 11, right? By changing what? By changing, of course, x, right? So as soon as the x gets to a value, which makes ultimately this that target cell C6 to 11, so we find the x value. So the value of x is 3, right? Okay, so we can, just for the sake of removing the ambiguity, yes, this is the better way of doing this, right? We have used the comma format so that we don't get stuck to this. Okay, so 3.00 is the value of x. 8 and 3 are 11, and that's it. So the right answer, to attempt the right answer, to give the right answer, that is 3, right? Okay, so this is the right answer we have, and the system has acknowledged it that you have attempted, your answer is correct. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.